BJP की matik sa double engine lengak lakpadagi Manipur की politics fail oire state asigi Meepum Khuding Awaba Maiyoknare haina MPCC की president kaisa Meghachadra na phongdokrai AICC की secretary Manipur gina in charge oiriba Christopher Tilak MPCC की president kaisa Meghachadra madi maki kangwo mana hill tour visit की khongchat ama ngasi Tamilong district headquarter da leiba multi-purpose hall da joint organization meeting amsung interaction ki thoram sing pangthokda sarugya ki khongchat aduda DCC Tamilong ke president Adai Faumai DCC general secretary Sohyam Kamai Sohyam district president NSUI Ripulung MPYCC ki president Anan Wahengbam MPCC ki SD department ki chairman Ungpam Raikhan social entrepreneur Kaningai Riamai working president DCC Tamilong PH Fungan Amadi Congress ki lusingba kya su sarugya ki thoram aduga mari lena MLA loina MPCC की president kaisa Meghachadra makhatana hai Mumbai gumna Manipur su Trans Asian laibak singa samnarabani lamdam masigi naha kya gi thabak piba yarabani adubu khudong saba si lengang na yengde madugi mota center dagi sel thadorpa ngaiduna leiri matang asida aikoina kayam koina center gi makhada ya ka yengduna ngai ki dagi laibak asigi resource isana semga jagodani haiki
aikoise ji chanana leibini matam lai aikoi the why was sick you know aikoi the nasi why was say rajniti da asoi ba malai aikoi ki toiba nasi sani system politics ye masi asoi ba lai nasi political trend se ondo ki ba aikoi pulo ba kwa tu nasi lai ki hawra ki ba na hasi kwa ka youth si adu kwa lai khengo ma ya thabak pangoi ngasi aikoi vote about politics ki train ama Manipur zathai election ki thoki ba Manipur da ho you cannot bring a change in the Manipur and also you cannot bring a change in Manipur if this correction is not happening.
AICC की secretary Christopher Tilak na hakibada Manipur da leri banaha singi tungi marai ba sikari oigani hoji status ki economy fail oire business to bangam laktre amarom da school leirabasu oza watpa ki khudong sa da ba hospital leiragasu doctor leiba amsung leitabagi phibam da Manipur leiri state assembly lei adubo MLA amata leitre masipun BJP ki double engine lenga kasi fail oigada ngapi gani oibidagini phibam masida Manipur ki Pibam asik kanana ahongba purakani kanana Tamilong da ahongba purakani harabadi mafam asigi nahasingna asengba afaba ahongba du purakadabani state asigi mapandagi laglaga state asigi ahongba purakloi haiki
Manipur needs economic structural change. Most of the youngsters in Manipur for education they have to go out of the state. For employment they have to come down to deep south. I see so much of non-Eastern people in my state, Tamil Nadu. Of course, they are very much welcome. But working away from your homeland, everybody desperately wants to come back. From whatever I heard from our friend Manipur, he was in Delhi for a couple of years, worked for some companies.